Hey everybody, welcome back to Yes or No Item Reviews. In this video, we are going to unbox, set up, and review the 2-in-1 portable fan by Letigo. Thank you Letigo for sponsoring this item to us. Without you, this video would not be possible. We have timestamps in the comment and description section below if you would like to skip to a certain section of the video. Let's go ahead and start with unboxing right now. This is what the box looks like. Let's see what they give you. You'll receive one portable fan, one user manual, one tripod stand, one flexible stand, one USB charging cable, and one information card if you're interested in specific details about the fan. So a total of 6 things inside the box. Alright, let's look at this fan in detail. On the right and left side of the fan, you have a rotating holder which allows you to rotate this fan all the way around, which you'll see later that it is very convenient. On the back of the fan, there is a battery case that you can open. Inside the case, you'll find a battery which takes about 3 hours to fully charge, but when it's charged, it'll last 14 hours. Now you can brag to your friends and family that you own a big green battery. Other than that, you don't really need to mess with it. Below the battery case, you have the port that charges the fan, and here you have the on and of button. Wait, let's fix that. That's better. On the bottom of the fan is the hole that connects to your tripods. Alright, let's turn this fan on. To turn it on, you press this button right here. If you press it once, you get low speed. If you press it again, you get medium speed. Press it for the 3rd time, you get the highest speed. On the 4th click, it turns off. If you've never seen a fan from the front before, this is what it looks like. On low, medium, and high.
Wow!
Whoa. Amazing, huh?
Yeah!
How do you use the tripod stand? Well, let's install it first. All you do is take the tripod and connect it to the bottom of the fan right there. Give it a few twists to the right and your fan is ready to go. Take it outside, fan yourself on a very hot day, and enjoy the process while you do it. You could also turn your frown upside down and cool your sweaty pits.
Yeah!
And you could do some bad acting while you stand your fan in front of you. How do you use the flexible stand? Well, you first install it the same way you would with a tripod stand. The difference is you could turn this stand into the letter W. Take this part to that part, spin it around to the right a few times, and now you have an awesome looking fan with a W attached to it. This high quality flexible stand can attach to the bed railings of your bed while you dream about people subscribing to your channel. If you're getting any value from this video, please subscribe and let me know what you think about the fan so far. I want to hear from you. Anyways, you could also attach the fan to your car for extra wind in your face and be happy about it. And if you're a parent with a stroller, you could attach the fan to the handle as well. Also, if your stroller has the ability to uncover the hood for air, you could flip the fan around and provide air to your child too. For those of you that have a bike or an electric scooter, add more air to the wind as you ride along. Why? Because you can. If your treadmill at home does not have a built-in fan, well, it is now possible. And seriously, this guy needs to use a treadmill more. Same thing goes with the exercise bike. The fan is very sturdy and it actually does its job very well. I thought the fan would be shaky, but honestly, this dude shakes more than the fan. Did you know that this fan has LED lights too? No? Well, you know now. To turn it on, you hold down the on-off button for about 1 second and LED lights start to light up. If you hold it down for another second, the LED lights shut off. So you might be wondering, how bright are these LED lights? This is where my dog sleeps. We are inside a covered dog bed. As you can see here, the lights aren't as bright as the sun, but at least you can tell that my dog sleeps with Mickey Mouse every night. If you want to know measurements of the fan and stands, here are the answers. From the right to the left rotating holders, it measures out to almost about 6 inches. From where you connect the tripod to the top, the height is about 5.5 inches. And the width of the fan is a little over 2 inches. Okay, I tried to straighten out this flexible stand, but it was tough. Just so you have an idea, it measured out to be 18 inches. The smaller tripod with the legs closed measured to be about 5.5 inches. With the tripod legs open, it almost was 5 inches tall. Once you abuse a fan's battery, you have to recharge it, and this is how you do it. Take the provided USB cable and plug it in right there. Take the other side of the cable and plug it in a charging station or a USB charger. The indicator light will turn red, which means it is charging. Can you charge the fan while the fan is turned on? Let's find out. As you can see, the fan is off and charging. Let's turn it on and find our answer. The fan is now on, and yes, it's still charging. Some people might ask, will a power bank charge the fan? The USB is now disconnected, which now turns off the light. Let's connect it to the power bank. And check it out, the power bank still charges the fan even while the fan is on the highest speed possible. How can you tell the fan is fully charged? Well, the light changes from red to blue. If you enjoyed this video, the videos on the right are similar to the one you just watched. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you at the next item.